Hi, my name is Jody Felton-Eshelman and I work at the Veterinary Surgical Center in Leesburg. This is a quick video on how I would sanitize a cage. At the surgical center you can see we have several large runs where we keep the larger dogs, and we keep all of our cleaning supplies readily handy, and down the side is where we keep our smaller animals. We use vital oxide as one of our disinfectants, and then we also use bleach and Lysol to mop out our runs. And here I'm going to show how I would disinfect a cage. There was a dog in here in this particular cage that we had done an orthopedic surgery on, and I am going to clean it out with our vital oxide, which is right here. We buy it in the larger jugs, and then now that I have my gloves on, I'm going to go ahead with my vital oxide and once again get this particular cage cleaned out. I spray the sides, the bottom, and the top, and we usually have these little mats that sit in the bottom because a lot of our patients are orthopedic patients, so we don't want them slipping. So I went ahead and took that out. But again, I spray the top, the bottom, the sides, and the back. And we use a lot of paper towels because it's something that you can throw away. Sometimes we'll use rags, but it seems to harbor a lot of bacteria. So we went ahead and went with paper towels, and that's the little mat that again we put in the bottom of each cage, and I'm going to wipe that off really good. Sometimes at the end of the day we'll take that and throw that in a big run and hose it down with Lysol and let them dry. Just hang them on a run and let them dry. And I wipe off the door really well. We have to do this with every patient regardless of what surgery we did. I wipe off the inside and the outside, making sure there's no blood or if the animal has sneezed. And then I usually make sure that the paper towel is wrapped up very well and into my gloves, and I just throw that away. And then at the end I kind of let it dry out a little bit, and I like to wipe it out one more time just to make sure that I've got everything before I put the mat and a towel back in for the next patient.